Hello everyone, hope you're well. So today's video I'm going to show you that what I feeding my backyard chickens at this midday. There is lots of dust you are seeing in this video. So look, what are they finding? Mother hen trying to find the insects inside this dust. Look, I'm going to show you what is the inside of this. Look, there is some of insects. This is most favorite food of chicks. Look at here. Look, these insects are maybe so happy. Look, these insects. Hi, hi. Look, they are harder the finding. Now I'm going to showing you closely. Mother hen are finding the chicks are trying to eat. Okay. Look, there is so many insects inside of there. Look. Here, lots of insects they are finding. As there is lots of food they are enjoying the street. I think so. I hope you are all enjoy too. They are just 7 days old. That's all of my backyard chicks. Okay, look. Okay. Look here. Oh, love chicken. Yeah. I'm going to sing it closely. Lots of. So insects the farm here. Look at here. They can't eat it. Look. So many insects they are eating right now. Lots of insects. I think they are enjoying, and you guys enjoy too. Here is my hand, and they are don't afraid about that. I am here, and they're just eating. Nothing to see behind or in front. Just they're finding food and enjoy the food. Okay, look. So viewers, not but today. Talk to you later. The end of the video. Till then, bye bye.